Hello viewers, hope you are well. Today I am bringing you a discussions of Abies Candensis Homeopathic Medicine. Abies Candensis is a short-term homeopathic medicine. This medicine is given in acute cases. We'll know the Abies Candensis medicine from Kent Repertory. We know that every homeopathic medicine has hundreds of symptoms. Out of that, we will remember the most important symptoms. If the patient or someone in my family or I have those symptoms, I can think of that medicine. So let's start. Here is stomach. When you need to prescribe Abies Candensis medicine, you first confirm the symptoms. Appetite increase. Appetite increase or ravenous. Second important symptoms, chest symptoms, palpitation, eating after, palpitation, heart, eating after. These two symptoms are most important to prescribe Abies Candensis medicine. And Abies Candensis medicine is widely used for such diseases that are dyspepsia, abdominal disturbance in acute stage, and dyspepsia causes weakness. Indigestion causes weakness. Dyspepsia, when dyspepsia causes weakness, you can think of Abies Candensis medicine. Other, indigestion causes weakness, you also think of Abies Candensis medicines. The potency of Abies Candensis medicines, potency and dose, you think of the beginning centesimal potency 6, 8 doses, 10 doses, 12 doses, twice or thrice a day. And you also think of 30 power in centesimal potency. It's a doses, 6 doses or 8 doses or 10 doses. It's also repeated twice or thrice a day. That's for today. I'll talk you about other medicine later. Be well. Thank you.